Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back again to another video. My name is Marguerite James and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is going to be a look, my everyday makeup look, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix up my hair because yesterday I had done finger coils, put my bonnet on, and I slept on it. I didn't, put any twists in it or anything. So, it's not going to take a long time. It just takes a little water and a little love, and then it will be good to go. So, for the next minute or two, you guys are going to see me just, playing around with my hair and trying to get it to how I want it. Okay, you guys, the entire time that I was recording, I did not notice the stain on my robe. I'm so sorry. It bothers me. I feel like it's going to bother you, but we are going to have to tough through it. I'm so sorry. I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm using such a small spray bottle. It's because when I went to go get one, I was thinking it would be smart to get a smaller one in case I wanted to, take it with me. But, I wasn't thinking about when I'm at home. So, yeah. I actually put a lot of water in my hair, so you guys might notice that my hair is a little wet throughout the video. But I kind of planned it out that way because I wanted it to be able to dry while I was doing my makeup. I also didn't want to use a lot of products in my hair because the day before I had used like a lot of Eco Styling gel to, do my finger twist. And, I just wanted to go ahead and just put water in it and I knew it would be fine. Alright, so now that I'm happy with the way that my fro is looking, I'm going to put some edge control on my edges, kind of just to give my part a nice, more sleek look. I got this edge control from Atlanta. I don't exactly remember the name of it, but I will put the name of it in the description down below because I absolutely love it. I got this months ago and it has literally lasted me like so long. It's great. Okay, so to start my look, I'm going to go ahead and apply primer. I got this primer as a sample from Sephora and it is also Fenty Beauty. So I will go ahead and put that also in the description down below. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to be working on my eyebrows. I'm using the e.l.f. double-sided brow pencil. On one side it's got the pencil and on the other side it's got a brow brush. So this is really good for beginners and it's really cheap. It's only like $2 and this is just what I've been using since the beginning. So sometimes it takes me a while to do my brows simply because I'm really like particular about them. Both my eyebrows are like literally completely two different shapes. So I'm still in the learning process of how to perfect them the way that I want them. And also you guys are going to be noticing that I'll be using Q-tips, and that's because I recently moved and I have lost all my makeup brushes and the majority of my makeup actually, so I still have to go and I still have to get more brushes. I've got one that I was working with throughout this entire video, but now and then you are going to be seeing me with Q-tips and maybe something else, I'm not sure. So now you guys are going to be seeing me put concealer underneath my brows and over my arch, and that's because I just wanted a nice clean and defined look. Okay, so now this is the part where I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. The number of this foundation is 420. Anyways, so The brush that I'm going to be using with this foundation is Sephora's foundation brush. It was on sale when I went to go get the foundation. It was only like $6. And you know, I like it, but I don't really like it as much as a beauty blender. Okay, so after I apply the foundation all over my face, I'm going to go ahead and add concealer. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put the name of the concealer down in the description below. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in my concealer. I wish I had my beauty blender for this, but all I had was the foundation brush. So that's what I'm gonna be using. Alright, so now you guys are going to be seeing me add a little bit of dark brown eyeshadow to my lids. And I'm doing this simply because I love the way it looks when I add my highlight and my lashes. It just makes my eyes stand out a little bit more. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to be doing my favorite part, which is going to be adding my lashes, but I'm going to be doing this off camera, simply because it takes me a while to put my lashes on, so I will be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back with my lashes on. I'm still waiting for the glue to dry a little bit, so that's why you see that it's a little white. But now I'm going to apply my highlight. I love this highlight so much. It's the LA Colors liquid highlight. It lasts me so long and it is so pigmented, as you guys are about to see. I didn't mention to you guys that that highlighter was $1 from the dollar store. So yeah, I'm really proud of this highlighter. I love it so much. It looks so good. And I'm gonna put it on my highlight spots. I'm gonna put some on my upper lip because I love the way that looks with my lip gloss. And I'm gonna put some in my inner corner and underneath my brow bone. The only downside to this highlighter is that it does dry fast, so you have to work with it quickly. I mean, I kind of like that it dries a little bit faster, simply because it's easier to work with. But if you leave it in one spot for too long, it can like really mess you up. You guys are going to be seeing me do underneath my brows and the corner of my eyes with Q-tips because I wanted to be precise with it and I didn't have, you know, any other brushes to work with. So this is what I had. Alright, and for my final step, I'm just going to be adding a little bit more chapstick, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Following this is going to be a video of me with the finished look. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment and all of that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time.